we are group number 3, and this is the truth table that we use for our demonstration. So here we use S1 and S2 for the limit switch of forward and backward sides, and J1 and J2 for the inputs given by the joystick for forward direction and backward direction, and A and B for the 4 LEDs to indicate forward and backward directions. So first of all, we ignored the terms that both S1 and S2 switches are high because it is impossible in practical situation, and also we ignored both J1 and J2 high situation because it is also impossible because we cannot switch joystick for switch on joystick for forward and backward directions same time. So in here we ignore this and these terms, and according to the outputs that we need, we build this truth table. So if both switches are off, it means that that we can move that plate to both directions. So if both switches are off and the joystick we mean this is backward of side of the joystick is high, we move the plate to the backward side, and the forward is high, we move it to the forward side, and both switches of the joystick are off, we don't move the plate. Likewise, we develop the truth table, and by the terms of the truth table, we make the Karnaugh maps for A and B, and these are the expressions that we taken for the outputs, and according to those expressions, we made the we build this ladder circuit. So here x2, x6, x0 and x4 are used to indicate are connected to the switches of joystick, and x6 is connected as backward limit switch, and x3 is connected as forward limit switch. Here we use proximity sensor as forward limit switch. So then those switches are connected to the PLC to the indicated pins here, and common pins are selected according to the data sheet of the PLC. So let's see the demo now. We can see when joystick is moved to the forward direction, the red LED which indicates forward direction is switched on, and if we move the joystick to the backward, the green LED switch on, and then if we try to move the joystick forward direction while we are blocking that direction, that means while the forward limit switch is closed, then the red LED will not switch on because we cannot move to that direction because the limit switch is closed. And if the limit switch is open, now we can move the plate to the forward direction, and vice versa. This is we can show it if we move the joystick to the backward direction while the backward limit switch is closed, that means we cannot move the plate to the backward, so the green LED will not light on. And if the backward switch is open and we move the joystick to the backward, then it indicates that we can move the plate to the backward. So that's the demonstration of our practical. Thank you very much.